Hi guys, welcome back to another part of Core Java tutorial. Today we are going to learn about methods or functions in Java. Methods are modular arrangement of a large complex program. That means by using methods we can modularize a large program into each module. Each modules are called methods or functions. Methods have a specific task or a meaning. Definitely, if you make a complex program into methods, then you must define a specific task for each of that methods. Methods make a complex or large program simple and easy to understand. By using methods, you can make a more complex program into very easy modules, that is very easy to understand. Also, methods make a program to very easy to debug. By using a large program into methods, you can easily debug or you can easily find out the errors or bugs present in that program. So a program written using methods are very easy to understand and very easy to debug. Here is the syntax for declaring a method. Here is the access specifier, that means it will define whether the method is public, private or protected, like that. Here is the return type, that means whether the methods return any value, int, float, etc. Here is the return type. Here is the method name. A method name is a valid identifier in Java. And here is the arguments. Here is the actual arguments, that means this is the variable declaration that getting value from the method calling, that we'll discuss in later in the coming up chapters. And here is the method body. All the local declaration, the variable declared within the body of the methods are local variables. That means that variables are only accessible inside the body of that method. Here is the statements associated with these methods. Here is a simple example that demonstrates the use of a method. Here the access specifier is public and this method never return any value, that why you are using the return type as void. Here is the name of the method as sum, and here I declare two variables, int a and int b. A and b are actual arguments or parameters, and here inside the method body I declare a local variable x, that means the variable is only available within the body of this method, and I find out the sum of a and b in x. Now print the sum as x, and here the method is closed. Here you can see that a and b are getting some value from the method calling. That means in any other part of the program we call sum, in bracket we passing any two integer variables or any numbers, that is we must pass two numbers in integer category. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for getting more video updates.